So you have finished tying a bouquet but don't know how to finish off. You may have tried wrapping your fall flower bouquets, following tutorials for fresh flowers, but the pins just wouldn't stay in place because you can't put the pins through the plastic flower stems. And you don't want to use crazy amounts of hot glue and tape to hold the ribbons in place. I understand. I've been there. Hello, my name is Janet. I'm passionate about silk flowers. I've made dozens of silk flower bouquets before in the past few years. I'm excited to help you to decorate your home and wedding and create memorable moments. In this video, I will show you how I wrap my fall flower bouquets with ribbons and a couple of ways to add bows on them.
Before wrapping my bouquet stems with ribbon, I would always wrap them with foam sheets. The foam would make the bouquet stems more squishy to be held and cover up the zip ties or wires that could possibly poke out. This time, I'm using a 1mm thick EPE foam sheet from some packaging that I've got from a delivery. I've used 1mm thick green EVA foam sheets bought from craft stores before, which also work pretty well. And you will need scissors and some sellotape. I measure how much I will need. And make sure I cover all the floral tape on the stems. I double up my foam sheet for extra strength. And I cut the amount I need. And wrap it round the bouquet stems. And secure it with some sellotape. I tidy up the lower edge a bit. And it's ready to be wrapped by a piece of ribbon. Method 1. Super clean. Here I have a piece of cream colored ribbon that's 2.5 centimeters wide. Before wrapping, I leave a tail of about 15 centimeters long and fold the ribbon by 90 degrees. I start off from the center back of the bouquet. I wrap the ribbon round the top for one round. Then slowly spiral downwards while pulling the ribbon as tight as possible. When I reach the bottom, I do one round horizontally, then gently pull the ribbon diagonally so I can spiral my way back up to where I started. The aim is to join the two ends of the ribbon and tie a knot. Here I've finished wrapping my way up and reached where I've started. I've made a mistake of cutting the ribbon too early. I should have gone round the top for one more round before cutting the ribbon. Now you can see I'm doing the final round. Luckily, the tail was long enough. Then I hold the tails tightly together and tie a knot. Now you can see the front looks smooth and clean. Next, I will show you how I tidy up the knots at the back. Here I use a thin flower stem to help me tuck the tails inside the ribbon wrap. Alternatively, you can use a crochet hook, a wooden skewer, or a hairpin. I keep hooking the ribbon tails downwards so they can't slip out. Voila! And here's a photo of how the bouquet looked with a very clean finish. I believe this bouquet wrap style is suitable for brides who wear modern wedding gowns with minimal embellishments. Method 2. Double loop bow. This time I start off with a much longer tail that's about 30 cm long from the center back. Again, I've folded my ribbon 90 degrees so the tail point upwards, just like what I've shown you for the previous method. Wrap one round horizontally, then slowly spiraling upwards to meet the tail. When the ends meet, I tie them together. Then I flip the bouquet over and tie again, right at the center front. Then I start making my double loop bow. I start with a fishy facing the left, with the tail of the bow on top. And I make a fishy facing the right. If you only need a simple single loop bow, you can stop at this stage, but I'm doing a double loop this time. Flip over, the fishy facing the left, flip over, then right. In fact, I've learned how to make this ball from Flower Joel. He called it the chocolate box ball, but he ties his ribbon balls to his bouquets using another way. His channel is absolutely amazing and I've learned a lot from him. Make sure you check him out. I've cut the tail and it's done. I then use a hair clip to keep the ribbon ball in shape. Then I place the ball on the bouquet on where I have left off. I tie a knot with the tails on the bouquet and secure the ball. And make sure it's nice and tight. And that's how I would put a ball on a bouquet. You may wonder how the length of the tails would affect the look of the bouquet, so I'm showing you some variations. That's how the bouquet looked with long tails. And I've trimmed the tails short to make the bouquet look cuter. I think visually the proportion looks better with shorter tails for this round bouquet. I've trimmed the ribbon tails in a slight angle with my scissors, and I've sealed the edges quickly using a lighter to stop them from fraying. Remember, always test with scraps first if you want to heat seal your ribbons.
Before I show you another variation of the ribbon bow, please give me a thumbs up if you have found this video helpful for you. And I will be uploading videos regularly, sharing tips on working with silk flowers. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos.
Here is a variation of the ribbon bow that I've done for a boho styled bouquet. I've used ducktail ribbon to wrap the bouquet and left very long tails. Then I've added a single loop bow made with the dusty pink ribbon. Long ribbon tails are not for everyone, but I think they suit the boho brides. It's also a nice way to bring in colors which you don't find in flowers into the wedding photos.
I hope this video has given you ideas on how you could wrap your bouquets without any pins or glue. Before you call your bouquet finished and ready for the big day, did you know you could seal the flower stems off to prevent the wire catching some wedding dresses and veils? If you don't want to ruin dresses and beautiful moments, I've prepared a video for you on how to seal faux flower stems. Click the link and I will see you over there.